Mr. Huang. Now I'd like to show you how to create a digital book using Book Creator. This can also be used as a presentation material. First, I'd like to see student work on Book Creator. Elementary, this one. Okay, text, photo, and background. You can see photos and text. If you click the link your teacher sent you to access the Book Creator library, and you can create a digital book. Please click a new book. Please choose a comic version. Okay, I'll choose this one. One comic squares. So here you can see plus button. You can see image, camera, pen, text, and first image. So you can search Apple. You can add Apple and plus text Apple. This text box selected, you can click the I button. You can edit the text box, for example, so you can bigger size and can move the text, and you can change the font, you can change the color, background like this. And transparency, shadow. And if you lock, you cannot move. It is locked. So unlock. Yeah, at that time you can move. And click the image and I button, you can edit this image, transparency and hyperlink. If you click this image, you can move another page or to another website. Here you can see the web address or page number in this book. But you can see the go to the this text box under the image. So I button and here back here. Okay, the text box below the image. Okay, this button. You can create many pages. And pages here, so you can see the pages. Back. And this is blank page. If you click the I button, you can create a background, comic background, and here, so different another background, paper, yes, paper, music score, and pattern, and texture. So you can choose background. No image, no text box in this time. So I button, you can change background. can pen here, so you can like this and down. You can move and delete. Tools, you can see the tools, and also you can choose color or magic ink like this. Done. Here emojis, can you choose this one? Done. Plus button pen, emoji, and you can see so people and body, animals, travel and places, and symbols, flags, sports, so activities. Here, done. You can move. Plus button, pen, and auto draw. So like this, auto draw, click and house. So you can see the recommendation. So you can this one, okay, done, and you can make a image. Even though you cannot draw a drawing very well, you can make an image. And what about this one? So if you click this one, plus image, dark, add, so you can see the dark, okay, and plus button, so double click, I'm happy, and another one, cat, smaller, this, bigger, and plus button, sinking bubble, play with me, can delete this one, plus button, apps, Google Map, add, yes, there is a Google Map in the book. Here are pages. You can move, and also you can copy this page, so same page, 2 pages, you can see the same pages, and then delete. You can create presentation material by inserting images, text, and other content into Book Creator page. You can also embed design edited in Canva into Book Creator. I want you will create wonderful works with Book Creator. If you have any questions, please contact me. This is my email. Thank you for listening. You can also find more tutorials by searching Book Creator on YouTube.